Tired of projects turning into a tangled mess? Let's transform that chaos into clarity by creating a rock-solid tracking project in Basecamp in under 90 seconds. First, we'll kick things off by creating a new project. Click on the big New Project button. You can find it on your Basecamp dashboard. Give your project a clear, concise name, something like Website Redesign Q3 or Marketing Campaign July works great. Now, for the magic, Basecamp offers several tools, but for tracking, let's focus on the essentials. Todos are a must for breaking down tasks. The message board keeps all discussions organized. Schedule ensures everyone knows deadlines. Docs and files is perfect for centralizing resources, and automatic check-ins help you monitor progress without constant nagging. Click on Todos and create your first list. Think of these lists as categories: design tasks, content creation, or testing. Then add individual Todos within each list. Assign each task to a specific team member and set a realistic deadline. This is where the tracking really begins. To monitor progress, navigate to the progress view. Here, you'll see a visual representation of completed versus incomplete tasks. This gives you an instant overview of where your project stands. Remember those automatic check-ins. Set them up to automatically prompt your team for status updates at regular intervals. No more chasing people down for information. And there you have it, a well-structured tracking project in Basecamp, ready to keep your team aligned and your project on track. Explore the different features, adapt them to your workflow, and watch your projects run smoother than ever before. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Basecamp tips and project management strategies. Now go create some order.